I used AI to design these logos, completely free. In this video, I explain the steps to you. In less than a few minutes and with a few clicks, you can make anything you want. Let's start together. Go to bing.com/create. You need to have a Microsoft account or create a new account. Then explain what you want completely. Write what you want, why you want it, if you want a specific style and effect. Then click on the create and wait. You can download any file you want. Just click download and our logo is ready. With this AI, you can make anything you want. In the next videos, I will show you how to customize the final file. To see the next tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video.